And even during the dry season, I can find darkness. This is my world. Now, I have a plan. First, I must keep out of sight of those noisy langurs. They'll tell the whole forest that I'm on the hunt. I use my ally, the shade. So far, so good. No alarm calls. I have to get just a little bit closer. Once I'm in range, those monkeys can screech all they want. The brighter the light, the deeper the darkness. Clouds, trees, sun, shadows. It's all in the timing. Now. With every kill, I become stronger, more confident. Soon I'll challenge Scarface and fight him for the right to rule this territory. It looks like Cleo's made a kill, and it's a good one. With her cubs almost fully grown, this may be the last time she'll hunt for her family. But she's nervous. Why are the cubs hiding? Oh, that's why. Carl. If he finds out she's here, he'll try to kill her and her cubs. She'd better move them. Quick. Let Carl take the deer.